What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be replacing the cabin air filter on this 2013 Ram 2500. Now I went with the Fram Fresh Breeze. I'll link this in the description below if you have a similar vehicle, but if you don't, they do have, you can go to their website and look up your vehicle and it'll give you the part number for your particular vehicle. This process should apply to all 4th gen Rams, 1500, 2500, 3500, so forth, so on. So let's dive in. This cabin air filter is located behind, on this vehicle, behind the glove box here. What we do is open this up. You see there's a little cord here, a tension cord. We're going to remove that, and you got to be careful because this thing does retract when you take it off. So what I'm going to do to keep this from going all the way in, hopefully this works, and being a pain in the ass to put back on. Actually, I'm going to do that afterwards. So keep a hold of the cord. Once you have that off of the little slot here, you're going to push in on each side of the glove box, and that should just remove like that. I'm going to put a clamp on this cord so I don't lose it up in there. I'm also going to be removing the upper glove box insert here, and to get to that, you see up in here, that little screw right there is going to take that out, and it should just pop right out. After you take that one screw out from underneath, you can reach up in here from the bottom and just push out on the back of this insert. It comes right out. You disconnect your light over here. Now that we have everything opened up and we got some more light access from the top and bottom, you can see down in here, this is looking from the bottom glove box. This area right here, this outline, that is where the air filter is behind that. Now from the factory, this doesn't come with an easy way to get the filter out. It's all sealed, and you have to cut out this box in order to get to the filter, and you can buy this replacement door to put back in its place once you remove the filter. Now it does have these clips on the side, and there are tabs on the side of the box. This just snaps back in. Why does it come from the factory like that? I don't know, but we're going to get to cutting this thing out. I'm not really sure why, but I wasn't getting any audio on this next portion of video, actually for the remainder of the video that I shot. Anyway, I'm just cutting it out. I started with a Dremel tool with a standard cutting wheel, cut out a little slot, and then I used a metal hacksaw blade with a real fine tooth on it to cut out the rest of it. Now you can use, probably actually be better to use like a handsaw with a wooden handle and a fine tooth blade on it, just to give you a little better grip. It was kind of hard to grip the hacksaw. Now after I test fit the filter and made sure I had enough of the material cut out of the way, I went back with the shop vac, cleaned up any shavings and whatnot that I cut out. And as you can see down in there, I think I'll get a better shot of this after I vacuum, but there's actually no cabin air filter from the factory. I thought that there might have been one back there, but it's just an air box that just goes straight through. So this is really a video about adding installing for the first time, I guess, a in-cabin air filter. You can see right there, there's nothing there, just the air box, and that goes straight down into your ducts. Now it's just a matter of installing the air filter. Pretty straightforward. Just make sure you have the arrow facing, the filter facing the right direction. There is an arrow on the side of it that tells you the flow. In this case, the flow is going from top to bottom. And then we reinstall our door back on there to reseal everything up. And that piece, I'll link it in the description below. It's like, I don't know, 13 or 15 bucks for that door. Anyway, that's it for the video. The rest of this is just me trying to get that door back on properly. I couldn't, for some reason, couldn't get it on the way I wanted it. But that's it. Pretty straightforward job. Leave your comments below. Tell me what you thought. And y'all take care. I'll see you next time.